Good morning guys! Ayan, so buhay nanay na naman tayo ngayon. Right now, I'm frying some plantains and I'm also boiling some sweet potato for my daughter para sa kanyang merienda later. Yan, gumawa rin ako ng boiled egg and sausage. Yan, so yeah, today nga rin pala guys, ang laundry day ng anak ko. So she's being consistent with doing her laundry. So I'm very happy with that. And yan yung kanyang baby Benjamin. And then after she did her laundry, she made some rice for our dinner. And she also asked me to make her some milk tea. Kasi medyo may sore throat pa rin siya guys. So I decided to make some ginger tea na lang din kasi para sa aking husband and for my daughter kasi my husband isn't really feeling good also. So ayan, meron siyang ubo at saka sipon. But okay lang naman siya guys, and that is also the reason why we keep going back and forth to the beach so we can breathe some air. So today nga rin pala guys yung last day ng gamit natin ng ating mga appliances kasi yung independent contractor, they're gonna be changing all our appliances. Ayan, so we're very excited for that. And wale, ayan, na-install na ang ating appliances. So this is our new refrigerator. Mas shorter siya guys compared sa aming old one. Pero I like, gusto ko yung loob niya. So let's take a little look. Ayan. Yan lang. And then after that guys, yan yung oven natin. Yan, brand new. Upgraded ang feeling. Yan, so gusto ko kasi sensor na lahat. And yung coil guys, hindi na coil yung ating stove. Yan, and then pinalitan din nila yung aming dishwasher. Bago pa naman yung dishwasher guys. Pero since they decided, why not, diba? Sensor na rin yung ating dishwasher guys. Oh, yan, push lang, then malak na siya. Dati kasi dito yung on and off niya, and tsaka nilalak ko pa talaga siya before, after pushing it in. I don't know if you understand that. And then, may addition nga pala guys kasi dati wala kaming microwave dito. Yung microwave na ginagamit ko is our personal microwave. So dinagdagan nila ng microwave yung ano dito guys. So I am very happy with that. Ayan. And mas malaki siya. Yan. So medyo upgraded ang feeling natin bago tayo aalis dito. Thank you so much. Kache-check ko lang ng time. It's 7:15 p.m. Walang masyadong tao dito ngayon. Yan. Tapos parang it looks like the soccer team are already finished playing soccer. Naka-on pa yung water sprinkler. Dahil ako ng pagkain. Dito kami kain din. Mag-dinner. Kind of looks like Zedekiah. So cute. Okay. Wait. Dito na super duper cute. Mixed siya. Itim yung kanyang mama and then parang puti or Spanish yung kanyang papa. It reminds me of one of the children in our church. Cute ka, ayaw niya pang umuwi. Nandito ang anak ko. Nasa sasakyan pa ang asawa ko kaya ayokong iwanan ito dito. Oh. Pero sandali lang. Yan. Tinawag ako ng anak ko. Ayokong iwanan yung pagkain kasi baka may mga raccoon. Yes. Daddy's coming. Parating na ang asawa ko. Wait lang. Nandoon na si Habi. Wow. Walang masyadong tao. Nandito yung ano namin. Oh. Masarap dito mag-grill. Yeah. Yung ibang family dito sila nag-held ng kanilang mga special occasion, ganyan. Hi, Daddy. Maganda dito. May ano, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na table. This is better than ano, renting a place lang. Oh, pero hindi ko alam kung ano, nagbabayad ba dito.
I guess you just gotta let them know ahead.
Aha,
So that
yeah.
way it's reserved for you.
Exactly, because what if other people are also trying to, or planning to use this? Yeah. Mhm. I don't really think they charge if you use this, as long as maybe you have to clean after your mess. Huh? Hmm. Ang laki na ano, aso doon sa ano, sa likuran. Oh, inaantok na ang anak ko. That's good, Rachel. Hopefully that will help her fall asleep early tonight. Masarap dito. Straighten your legs. Straighten. Mm. There you go. Kiki, para maka... Not so scary, love. Mm. Ayan. Ang mahiwagang tanong, makakalakad kaya tayo nito? Marami nang nag-walking except me. Ewan ko. Oops.
I'm not in the sky. No.
Yeah.
I had a dream that I was in the sky.
Close your eyes. Ooh. Yeah. Hopefully makapag-walking kami nito. Park na lang muna ang ating video, guys. Opo. Are you gonna bring the food? Huh? Okay.
What is it?
No, that is gonna go to the bench. Yeah. So, ayan. Pupunta si Daddy doon sa paborito niyang bench. Okay, yan. Dinala niya yung mga pagkain. Marami talagang mga bugs. Bugs. Mhm. Medyo nag-uumpisa ng mag-dark.
It's like she said that she doesn't even like that type of stinks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But does she have one also?
No, she only has 4.
Yeah, do it quick because it's already getting dark. Daddy's ready to go home.
I just wanna play with the tree for a bit.
Mm-hmm.